Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share an idea with you. I have the American Doll classroom here, and I bought this classroom from my neighbor who was running a yard sale a little bit less than a year ago. It was last year. I think it was like in July. She was running the yard sale and I bought it from her. So I did make a few videos in here. I will show you around, but the idea is that I am going to change it temporarily, but I am going to change it into a baby room for this little baby that I bought at a discount store. And I did make a video on that. Now, this house here is for my granddaughter. And this will be for my granddaughter too. Everything's going to be for my granddaughter. So anyway, everything I have is for my granddaughter. I only have one granddaughter. So she hasn't seen this classroom because I haven't seen her since June. You know, she lives very far. But for now, I am going to play around with this and I'm going to convert this into a baby room. Before I do that, let me show you. You might have seen some videos in the past that I made, and I will link them to this video so that you can see them. So here are these cool windows. And you know what? This has been in this room for a while, so it's a little dusty. But I want to show you that these windows move. See what I'm saying? Even the bottom one, I think let me see. Well, I know you can open them from here and you can go like that. So let me just, okay, there it goes. So anyway, so I have these two cool windows and look at this. This is the shade, I guess. Let's see if it, yeah, it does come down. Look at this. I don't think I noticed this the last time when I first bought it. Look at that. The shade goes all the way down. And then this one has a shade too. That is beautiful. And I did add these pop quiz little cards from a game that I have. I added these and I stuck them on there. This is like a smart board here, a whiteboard. And then this is a light. Let me see. I think it's still, I can turn it on. Let me see if I can turn it on. Yeah, look at that. Everything works here. Look at this. Crazy. So I bought it for $40. I don't know if I mentioned that. But anyway, look at that. And then on this side, we have a green board with a clock. This classroom is just amazing. I love it. And I do have the doll for it too. Let me show you the doll. And again, like I said, my granddaughter has not seen it yet because she hasn't been here since June. So then look at this wall here. So this is, let me see, I think I can turn that on. Let me see. Oh, this is gonna ring really, really loud. Let's see. Okay, but that's actually, yeah, the sound is coming from over here. So let me turn that off because I don't want it to. Uh-oh. See, it has a button here. So when you press it. Oh, so you just press it. I was going like this because I wasn't looking. But you know what? Let me not play around with it because you know what? My hubby's downstairs and he's going to think that it's probably one of the smoke alarms up here. Because this just sounds just like it. So anyway, look at these. Oh, wait, there's a switch here. Let's see what this does. Oh, look at that. You see what I'm saying? Everything works here. This is so cool. So that's that switch. And then look at these folders here. Like the real thing. That's crazy. I just love all this. So yes, so this classroom has a lot of features here. Look at the heater, the heating system, and then there's some shelves there. Then there's a bulletin board here. I added those to that. I went into this, book that I have, and I cut out, no, it was a magazine. So I cut this out and I placed it right there. I pinned these to the bulletin board. Then there's this door here, the door. So yes, so I am going, oh my God, I'm going to have so much fun with this. I am going to convert this classroom temporarily into a baby room for this beautiful baby here. So I hope that you stay tuned. I'm excited. I'm actually excited because I'm seeing what I want to do. And then look at the light there. That light is just beautiful. Isn't that perfect for a baby's room? The flooring is great for a baby's room too. So you can imagine how this is going to look. So I hope that you have enjoyed this idea. And thank you so much for watching.